Alright, good evening one and all. Welcome to the video. My name is Saumil Shah. In this video, I would be basically talking about machine learning. I'm not an expert in ML, but I've been doing a little bit of NLP work right now. So for example, if you type intelligence, so it gives you recommendation based on like what are the similar words to intelligence. So here you can see like cannot 44, United, game, chatbot. Chatbot is related to intelligence, right? So that's one of them. Then programmer, intelligence and programmer, yes, they relate to each other. Interest also relate to each other. So you see how efficiently the machine is learning, and the machine learns from the text from Wikipedia. I'm gonna show you a demo out of it and how amazing this is. It can be used for several approaches, suggestion based or stuff like that. So I would say definitely, hey, check it out. I mean, it's cool. Let's review it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making a web request to the Wikipedia site and I'm getting basically the text basically. So let me show you step by step now. So if I run the following stuff, so actually, then I can do, of course, object oriented. So if I say here, you see this, the entire raw text, right? So I want my model to learn on this text, right? And give me like similar words, for example, whatever I say. So for example, now we need to basically convert that into a list of words. So we need to remove the stop words. So I have a library. I'm just gonna run it quickly. So just run that and see what happens here. So as soon as I say words, so here you can see what happens is, guys, machine learning, ML study, removed all the stop words and basically came up with all of these, computer and all of that, right? Cool. More the data, better it is, okay? So basically I say from GenSim, it's a library basically for NLP. I say word to vec, model word to vec. I basically give that word to the entire list, right, of words. Size is equal to 100, window is equal to 5, min count 1 and worker as 4. So run that. So vocabulary, now basically we'll say the vocabulary. So what vocabulary does is basically, let me actually print that for you. It basically actually prints all of these vocabulary that it basically has seen, and with a generator object, right? So that's what it is, right? So if you wanna get the most similar words, so for example, if I'm looking for similar words for intelligence in the entire text, so I would say sim words, basically I'll say model.wb.most similar, and I'll just give like intelligence. For example, for intelligence here you can see it's telling me all of these words. For example, computer. So it tells me about computer, reinforcement, research, signal, practice, and stuff like that. So it's pretty amazing. You can use this for a lot of approaches. One of the approaches that I can think is basically, you would basically rate each document based on like similar words. So basically, if you wanna give like relevancy or stuff like that, so these things would be useful in those scenario, like how like for example, the word burger and the McDonald's are related to each other, right? So machine understands that relationship, like man, woman, they are related to each other. We know that how machine basically learns by that is basically it tries to compute I'm just telling you, like maybe like a cosine law, like it'll try to compute the cosine algorithm between, like tries to compute the distance between both of them, like the vectors. So these are some of the things. Still, as I said, I'm not like an expert here, okay? So whatever I know, I'm just teaching you. Just doing a little bit of NLP. I would leave the links of this blog on the description, so kindly check it out and feel free to play with it and do whatever you want. And a disclaimer, I have copied the code from one of the website. I don't remember, I think it was a Motiversity blog, so I have taken some of it from there. So there is no harm or there is no shame if you have taken the code from someone. You should definitely say, hey, I have taken the code from someone. Unfortunately, I do not know right now where exactly it is, but I'll leave the references and also on my blog as well. So thank you for watching and hope this video was useful. If so, do give a like and see you in the next video. Bye bye.